I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at RealMoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today, let's look at Cheniere Energy, Tractor Supply Company, and Schlumberger. Last night, Cramer was talking about Cheniere Energy on Mad Money, so let's just take a look at the chart. He thinks this is a stock that you need to have in your stocking, right? I think your Christmas stocking. Look, stock's right at support at 10 bucks. That's important, but if you look at the weekly chart, what do you see? I mean, this is a really, forget about that, it took a heck of a fall. But this is a really wide pattern. I mean, really wide, which makes it risky when you're buying at the top. If you're buying down here, that's fine. The problem is we can't go back and trade it here. So what are we going to do now? Pretty easy for me. I would take this stock right now, but just keep a stop just below it, like 950 or something like that. That's, you want to keep a pretty tight stop. That protects your downside. Just make sure you always do this. If you get stopped out and you wish you hadn't, go ahead and buy it back. It's really okay. What about Tractor Supply Company? Okay, this is a stock that I've been watching for quite a while, and here's why. You look at the weekly chart. It's been in a really nice uptrend for, quite a while. But just like we're seeing with Cheniere Energy, a little bit different, but you can see how this thing is getting, pretty volatile here. Weekly chart. Now, let's look at the daily chart, though, see if we can get a trade out of this. All right, I think the safest place to buy this stock is when it's closer to the 200-day moving average. You see what happened there, and there. So, where do you want to buy it? There. If the stock does not come down that far, that's a problem. It's at 70 bucks right now. If you want to catch this kind of move, if you think that's where it's going, then take half of what you would normally buy now. Save some of your powder, and if it does fall back, you take the other half. Lower your cost basis. Problem that I have with this is it is a bit extended, and I don't get the sense that we're going to run into a smashing bull market that's just going to push this thing up. I don't see it. I would want to be a little more patient and wait to get this stock. And the last one we're going to look at is Schlumberger. Oil patch. Oil's been moving higher. A lot of these stocks are looking pretty good too. Schlumberger's really taken it on the chin here this year. It's a weekly chart. You can see how this thing has behaved. But where is it right now? Could be turning the corner. Could be turning really nicely. Look at Flowserve, actually. It looks a little bit like that. Stock traded down. There's your bottom. It traded above the 50-day moving average after consolidating for a little bit. So I'm looking at this level right now, 50-day moving average, as support. So what do you want to do? If you want some oil exposure, this is one of the stocks you want to look at. Just make sure that the stock does stay above, this general area here. Yeah, I saw this little, this little move that poked down below that. That's okay. I'm just concerned that the stock does this with you in the stock. I don't want you doing that. So respect the 50-day moving average. It had been trading sideways now, or down. Now it's moving sideways. We need to see the stock stay above this level. You're good to go. Okay, that's it for today. Look, you got today in order to register for my comprehensive short selling workshop. I'm teaching it online on Saturday, but registration closes tonight. We got a pretty full house, and we just want to make sure we've got everything processed correctly. So get over there and do it. By the way, you can't travel, not a problem. It's at your place. You can even watch it in your pajamas if you want. So I want you to get over to stockmarketmentor.com. You can get the details. I know I'm going to see you there on Saturday.